Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, you guys, we're going to unbox my order from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So in April, on April 20th, 4/20, he had a really nice sale on his website, and he had very certain specific items were available for either discounted prices, and then he had a whole bunch of them that were $4.20 for 4/20. It's a smoker toker reference, but honestly, I got some great deals. So I ordered with a coworker who also ordered. We put our orders together. I've already opened the box, kind of gone through everything, but I want to share it with you guys, okay? Because I had to get her stuff out. So this is our big old box for our order. And here's the card that they sent. This really is just promoting his skincare line. So there's the front, but there's the actual promotion of the skincare line. The website is jeffreestarskin.com. You can just go to Jeffree Star Cosmetics and you can click on, they have a link, obviously. So that was nice. I already took a bunch of the packing material out. Like I said, my coworker and I shared this. We got it delivered at work, and then we split all our stuff out. So, well, I thought I had almost all of it out. So basically, he had a whole bunch of his lippies available for $4.20. Not all of them, but a number of them. So let's go ahead and get into that. This is the gloss. This is Lord Star. So I'll pop this out. Let's see if I can get it out. I always pop the bottom. I never want to pop the top, but there it is. Before I rip it. So this is a fun one. She and I got a lot of the same lippies, but I think this is one I got that she did not get. I might be wrong on that, but there's the doe foot and the color. We'll swatch it. Remember, you guys, his lippies can be used on your eyes. The thing about his lippies, why I have not bought a ton of them, I have gotten a bunch in some mystery boxes. They dry out fairly quickly. They last maybe a year, 6 months to a year. So once you open them. So that's pretty. I mean, so you can use that on your eyes if you want. You could use that as a topper. I'm not sure I would. But I actually have ZeeSea Cosmetics lip gloss on. I do have the cream puff on. If I wasn't already wearing that, I would definitely put one of these on for you guys, but we'll just swatch it on my hand. This is just, it's beautiful. That is really pretty. Okay, the next one I got was Succulent. Let's go ahead, pop Succulent out of the box. So this one is the gloss. I don't remember if I got any Supreme glosses. I don't think so. I think just his regular glosses were available. Come on. Well, if I'm going to ruin the box, I'm going to ruin the box. It really doesn't matter. I'm not going to keep it. Come on. There we go. This is so pretty, you guys. So there it is. Again, the color is Succulent. Swatch this. It's really translucent, not nearly as bold, but honestly, you guys, as like an eye topper, how pretty that is. Second one in. That's pretty. Super pretty. Okay, then I did get one from his green paid in full. The blood money type one. Obviously, this one is from Blood Money. All right, are you going to open? Maybe you're not going to open. There we go. Even has the green from Blood Money. The symbol, I mean. All right, so this is so pretty. Again, this one is called, what did I do to it? Paid in full. There we go. Let's do this. Oh, that's so pretty. Y'all. Okay, third one in. Right in the middle of my hand. I love lip glosses. You either like lip glosses or you hate lip glosses because they can be tacky. But I like it because I'm always wearing, like, if I'm not wearing a lip gloss, I'm wearing chapstick or a version thereof, some sort of like that. Okay, then we got Dirty Royalty. That is going to be so pretty. Can't wait to see this. Y'all know I love me some purple. Oh, yeah. Pretty. Again, this could be an eyeshadow or an eye topper, or obviously for your lips. Ooh, it's so pretty. Very pretty lavendery purple. That's so pretty. Got that one. And then one more. I got Sickening. Pull that out. Honestly, you guys, so these were $4.20, and they're usually, I think, $16. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's a beautiful, like, purple shade with glitter. All right, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Big old swatch, you guys, because that is pretty. Very translucent, but purple with shimmer. Isn't that pretty? I like that. I don't know if they smell, because this lip gloss I'm wearing from ZeeSea Cosmetics has a scent to it. Cream puff. I think it's supposed to smell like a cream puff. All right, so then I got a lip scrub. I wasn't gonna do it, but you guys, I've never it's sherbet, you guys, and I couldn't not, for $4.20. The scent of this is amazing. Now, I understand a lot of people buy these and eat them. I won't do that, but I will enjoy this. It's super cute. Y'all, it smells delicious. Look at that, you guys. Oh, super, super, like, sugary smell. Obviously, it's supposed to smell like sherbet. I don't know if I'd call it like a sherbet smell, but let's show you the top. You guys see the reflection of my background there. My ring light, my cell phone setup. So I thought, why not? I actually just am finishing up one of the first lip scrubs I've gotten from him. So I don't use them that often. You guys, don't use this on your lips more than 2, maybe occasionally 3 times a week, or you might ruin your lips. Be careful. It's different skin. It's gentle. You need to be gentle on it. So I do need to exfoliate. I have some dead skin, but then, you guys, he had one palette available for $4.20, and I picked one up. You guys, this is going to go into a giveaway. So this is a mini controversy, and it's a Shane Dawson collab, hence the coloring. And let me show you guys which one this is. This is the one with the green in the middle. Yeah, look at that. Honestly, the packaging is beautiful. It has that reflection of green that picks up in the light when you move it back and forth. There's a shade saver, and yeah, this is the one in a mirror. This is the one with the green. The color is called Put It Back. So it's a slight, come on. The shade saver's like stuck. There we go. Okay, y'all. There it is. Isn't that pretty? I mean, honestly, it was so inexpensive. So, yeah, I actually got a couple of them. They're going to be great for doing giveaways, you guys. I mean, honestly, if you buy these shadows individually, he sells his shadows. They're like $9.99 individually. This is a 9-pan palette. And, I mean, I couldn't beat the price. So, that is what I got. That's it, you guys. So, the mini controversy, the lip scrub, and then 5 lippies. So, I know a bunch of you guys jumped in on his $4.20 sale. What'd you get? Let me know down below in the comments, okay, you guys? I want to know what you got. I'm super excited about these. There were other lippies. It's just ones that I wasn't really all that interested in, or I already had. You know, and just because I have them doesn't mean I wouldn't rebuy them, because like I said, these will eventually dry out, you know. I've swatched all of them now, so, you know, I've probably got 6 months to 12 months to use them. I don't think the glosses are quite as bad as, like, the liquid lipsticks, the velours, but they will eventually dry out. There's not a lot in here. They're super sticky to come out, so, yeah, these colors are gorgeous. So, All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, let me know down below. Did you buy anything for his recent sale? And if so, what'd you get? What'd you get? So let me know, and hope you guys are having a good week. If you can see it behind me, I'm still doctoring on that kitty cat of mine. He's not doing great. He's not doing any really, I don't know. He's there. He's not getting a whole lot better. He's not really getting a ton worse. I don't really know which way this is going to go with him. I'm down to hydrating him once a day because I got a liter of fluids in him within 48 hours. That was a lot of fluid for a cat, but he's normally a real big cat. So I did give him some fluids today, and this morning I did not want to give him any tonight, and I'll give him some tomorrow morning, and we'll just see how he does. If he looks like he's dehydrating again, we'll just keep going on the fluids. But I got him his special treats he likes. They're a nabachuru, they're a puree, and they're meant to be hydration for cats. So, and it'll give him a little calories. So he's eating a little bit, you know. I don't know, you guys. Good thoughts, warm thoughts from my kitty. I love him. He's 16 years old. So yeah. All right. Thanks guys so much. I hope you're having a great week. I'll see you on my next video. Bye everybody.